Holy crap! Holy shoot! Holy shoot! Holy shoot! Oh! Huh. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm fishing for like Papio and stuff, but hasn't been that good. Alright, I think I got a big shirt. Oh yeah, big shirt or a rug or something coming up. I just want to see what this thing is. Oh my god, a bucket. Yo, there's an eel living in it. Well, I think it's a huge rock or something. What the heck is this? I just hooked a bucket back there and now I got this. It's not a turtle, it's not even fooling. I don't know what it is. It's a stick. Ah, caught. But I also came here to catch some aquarium fish. And right now it's Christmas time, so in this video I'm gonna be trying to catch some Christmas wrasse for my tank. I catch a lot over here and I'll have them in there until Christmas is over and then release them and put something new in. So I got some shrimp for bait and I'm just gonna throw it right in here, these rocks. See if I can hook up on any. Alright, that's simple. I'm just gonna hand line it just like this. Pointing the rocks, feel a bite, boom. All right. There's all kind of other things like mamo and paw here in these cracks, but that's not what we're looking for. Oh, there we go, guys. First Christmas wrasse, second throw, and that is a Christmas wrasse, guys. Yeah, beautiful thing. That thing's beautiful. And it's a good size for the tank. It's not a monster. Ow. There's different types of Christmas wrasse. Another Christmas wrasse. All right, number 2. Oh, big one. And here we got another Christmas wrasse. It's a different species. Oh, look at that one. I don't know if I'll keep this one. He's kind of big compared to the others. He's gonna bully them. Keep them for now. Oh my god! Where'd it go? No! Where'd it go? Well, I had a bite and it just ripped it right out of my hand. Where did it go? It floats. It's right there. Come on. Oh, I got it. All right, new spot. Let's see if there's more over here. Oh, right away. Oh, there's 100. Holy crap. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. Holy shoot. Oh. Huh. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. And it's not a puffer. Come on, Papio. I don't know.
Feels weird. Come on, show me color. Yes! Papio. Alright. Alright, we're gonna have to flip them. Hook could pop out. I'm aware. There he goes. There we go, guys. Yeah! Not as big as I expected, but can't save them anyway, but it's okay, he's legal. Small guy, 12 inches though. All right, nice pan fry. Guys, I'm gonna say I caught that Papio because of the Christmas Wrasse. If it weren't for the Christmas Wrasse, I would have went home like an hour ago. There it is. Another Christmas Wrasse. Whoa, look how small this one is. That one's so small. Perfect size. Look at that thing. Woo, another small one. Alright, here they are. I'm gonna release this big bugger. Look at that thing. That thing is a crazy beautiful fish. Alright, there he goes. Kind of big too. See you later. This guy's kind of big. Let's look about him. These two are very small. Honestly, I'll probably release these two. It's a lot of Christmas wrasse. Oh, look at these guys. Look at that, guys. Holy sh. Those are some vibrant creatures. Oh, sorry. Alright. See you at home. And here are the 4 Christmas wrasse just caught today. And here's the tank. Has nothing inside of it right now. Just acclimated them, so I'm gonna put them in. Okay. There you go. 3 Christmas wrasse. Here they go. Alright, so just put them in. Here's one of them. Kind of dark because they're kind of, you know, nervous and scared. I just put them in. See one right there. I don't know. The other 3 are in the rock. One cool thing about them is they actually sleep in the sand, so hopefully they don't stir up the bed too much. But got a lot of rocks, a lot of rock structures, so they could hide and stuff and whatever, and a lot of swim space. So hopefully they won't fight. I mean, when I caught them, there was like a school of 20 of them, so they weren't fighting then. So hopefully they won't fight in this tank, but I'll keep them well fed and everything. So hopefully it'll be successful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll be feeding them pretty soon, making another video. And maybe I should add something. I don't know what I could add. Comment down below what you guys think I should add. I don't know if I could add anything since these guys are so territorial and aggressive. Like, I don't know, but we'll see. If you're wondering why I have a big circle hook, it's because I ran out of split shots.